All right, so I do want to briefly go through the course structure with you. So we're going to start off with learning how to set up your development environment, and that's we're going to learn how to set up Python and also all the necessary libraries you need and your Python environment. Next, we're going to learn how to connect to Instagram. We're going to create an Instagram bot class, which will serve as the backbone for our project. You're going to learn how to sign into Instagram using a bot and perform various actions. And this is using the Instagrapey. I don't know how to really pronounce that, but this API here. All right, and then we're going to dive into the AI aspect of the project. You're going to understand how to make the AI generator class and how to integrate it with the Open AI API to generate interesting image prompts. Moving forward, we will explore how to download and save AI-generated images using the requests and pill libraries. Finally, we're going to bring it all together by creating an Instagram post, and that includes using an AI-generated images with an AI-generated caption. So you're going to learn how to leverage the Instagram API and the Open AI to create AI-generated posts. So that is a brief overview of the course structure, and next we're going to go over the course benefits.